Hello guys, this is my first video in my channel as cubing, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to solve Rubik's Cube 3x3 by beginner's method, and it is very simple. So I'm going to scramble now. So the cube is scrambled and we can already get started. So first step is to make a cross on daisy on yellow center. So we find the edge has white, for example white and green, and we put it up on daisy. We have two now. We have to make two more. So it is very easy and you can do it yourself. So now the cross is done. Now we have to orient the edges to centers. For example, this center is red and we need to find a red and white edge. So this is here and they match, and we need to turn that 180 degrees down to the line center. Now we have to do the same as the other centers and edges. So we have already green and white, and put it down, search and put it down, and blue and last center. And now cross on white is made and the centers are matched with the edges. So after that we need to find a corner that has white, and for example we have here green, orange and white, and we need to take it to the same colors. We have green here on the side, we need to have orange at right and white at down. So we have to make an algorithm here: R, Q, R prime, Q prime. Also, this is the case when the corner is set here without doing algorithm twice or 3 times, and we need it only 1 time. But the other cases we will need maximum 5 times. So search again, white, blue and red, and here's the colors, and we make this algorithm. So here we need it 5 times, and last one to go because other one was already down. So after making this algorithm, we will have white color done, and we will have centers with edges and corners all across the cube. Now the third step is to make first 2 layers with white on the bottom, and to do that we need to find an edge. For example, this edge has orange and blue, so we need to find orange and blue color, and here is. So what do we do now? We need to put it left, and now we do an algorithm: RU, R prime, E prime, and another algorithm: L prime, R prime, L. So the edge is solved. One edge we already have done here, but we also need to do more. This is the case when edge goes right and we need to put it here. So at this case we move it right, we move the head right, and we do the algorithm. We start with L prime, Q prime, L, Q prime, and U. Sorry, I said U. So now we do R, Q, and R prime. So the edge is done, and last one to go. So we do it again and again, and now it's solved. So first step is to make a cross on the top, yellow cross. So to make it, we see that one is facing at us and the other is at right. So to put it to put both up, we need to do this algorithm: F prime. So we put this side that is facing at us at 90 degrees down, and we do this algorithm: Q, R, Q prime, R prime, and F. We'll have another cases when we will need to do this algorithm that is already known to us, and that is just R, Q, R prime, and U prime. And after doing that, you will solve it. The fifth step is to solve all the edges to the centers and its color. For example, we need here to be blue. And we do new algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, U prime, R prime. And only one edge is solved, so we continue doing that. No, it isn't solved. And now all the edges are done, and sixth step, and most bad step with a lot of misunderstandings, is this step, and we need to do new algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. So we need to do the algorithm once again, and it solved the other corner, and this is the case when we need to go to other corner, because when we do that third time, it will happen as it was before doing this algorithm. So I'll put it again, and we do this to the other one. Once, twice. It isn't done. Sometimes we have such misunderstandings because beginner's method is bad. So I solved the cube, but the seventh step I'll show you now. So the seventh step is that after doing the algorithm, we'll have here two sides, white and any of these four sides solved, and we need to just swipe these two corners and put yellow up, as you see. So to do that, we do the X prime move, that means to hold the yellow facing at us, and we do new algorithm. U, R, U prime, R. I'm sorry, I said U, R, U prime, R prime. We need to do that 4 times, and at last we do the F prime, and we're doing same algorithm to this corner, but if you do 4 times to one corner, you will do 2 times to this corner. If you will do 2 times to this, you need to do 4 times. So we do the same algorithm, and it could be solved. So it may appear very difficult to solve a Rubik's Cube, but after learning beginner's method, you will learn CFOP or rows, or there are lots of other methods, but I prefer CFOP, and it helps you to solve more faster. But there are lots of algorithms that you need to know. So the cube is solved.